The long, sandy beach, backdrop for some mythical movies, extends to Cirali. As a sanctuary for the caretta turtle, the beach is off-limits for construction. The Myland leads you back into genuine nature without hubbub and reinforced concrete. Each morning you may attend free yoga exercises.
Well done.
Wander through the bio garden, acknowledging the untouched flowers and fruits one can consume at breakfast.
Yeah.
Want to be creative? Try some clay art.
I love the face. The blue face. Going over everything.
One can hike to Yanatash, the burning rock. Since millennia, flames, fed by natural gas, flare up from clefts. Here, Bellerophon, the mythical hero on his winged horse Pegasus, is said to have subdued the fire-spouting chimera. Within walking distance is ancient Olympos. The sarcophagus of Antimachos lies directly below the Acropolis. The family tomb of Lyciarch Hoplon. The seafarer Eudemos rests in his last harbor. Phasaelis is easily reached by car. The aqueduct was one of the longest of the Roman Empire. The Roman theatre laid out for 1,500 visitors. Phasaelis South Harbour offers a view to Tatali Mountain. A 4-kilometer-long cableway leads to the summit, providing a spectacular panorama of the Lycian coast. Returning to Myland Nature, the smell of grilled fish, the sound of a guitar, and the crackling of an open fire fills the air.